Hi, this is George Anderson and welcome back to thecreditjungle.com. So as promised in a previous video, we're going to talk a little bit today about how to remove or delete negative items on your credit report. I talk with a lot of people who feel that until they can get that last collection account paid off, or a judgment, or the IRS, or whatever it is that they're dealing with, that they're not in a position to be able to buy a home. And while it's true that those things are going to affect your credit score, they don't necessarily affect your ability to qualify. So what we want to do is find the balance between what do we need to do to raise your credit score and yet minimize the amount of money that you would have to come out of your pocket to settle, delete, or otherwise just stay on some kind of a payment plan with those items so that you can qualify for a mortgage loan and still get your credit score where you want to be. So there are very effective ways to be able to do what are called pay to delete letters, and sometimes we just want to leave the collection account alone. It's a sleeping dog, let it lie there. It might be 2 years old, there could be a balance on it. In the process of paying it off, you're actually bringing that date of last activity on the account forward, and even though it might show a zero balance, it's a brand new activity date for a collection account. So whether there's a balance or not, that can actually harm you. So before somebody gets too involved with taking money that could be used for a down payment to be able to put down on a house and be able to get some good terms on financing, they could be throwing away thousands of dollars to pay off debts that don't necessarily have to be paid off, and if they were, they're not going to help your credit score. So everybody is a case-by-case scenario, and there's not just a broad brush that works for everyone. So give me a call. Let's figure out the best way that works for you so that you can maximize your credit score, the amount you qualify, and minimize the amount of money that comes out of your pocket. So thanks for listening in, and this is George at thecreditjungle.com.